Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I've got another super legitimate tutorial for you guys. I know some of you have been living in the dark your whole lives, unsure of what to do. You can't see, you can't do anything but look at your phone with the light blaring in your eyes and ruining your eyesight forever. I have the solution for you guys. Today is a very important tutorial for people like that. Today's tutorial is how to turn on a lamp. Let's get straight into the video. Alright guys, this is the lamp we're going to be trying to turn on today, and it also serves for the first reminder that you're going to want to have when trying to turn on a lamp. It's that you need to have a lamp to turn on. If you don't have a lamp to turn on, there's no point in watching this tutorial. You might as well click off right now because you can't even use it until you buy a lamp. Go to the store and get yourself a nice lamp so that you can see in the dark as well. Alright guys, so the second thing you're going to want to do is check out how the lamp works, how it's designed. You see we got this big part at the top right here. You're going to want to make sure that's screwed on nice and tight. You got this other part down here. You're going to make sure that that is at the correct angle that it's supposed to be at. You're also going to want to make sure that this lamp is built properly. You're going to want to make sure all of it is super tight so that when you turn on the lamp, you do not get electrocuted and nothing worse happens. Alright guys, the third step is a very important step. You're going to want to check to see if the lamp is plugged in. It will not work if it's not plugged in, guys. I cannot stress this enough. This is maybe the most important step of turning on your own lamp. If it is not plugged in, then you will still be living in the dark even when you follow the rest of the tutorial. And you'll still be living like the rat that's living in your bedroom right now in the walls. Alright guys, as you can see, the cord comes out at the bottom here and snakes its way all the way over to the electrical outlet, which is right here. And as you can see, this lamp is plugged in. I'm just going to check out to make sure that it is, for 100% certainty, plugged in. Okay guys, I think that it works. Now we can continue with the most important step of how to turn on your own lamp. Alright guys, this is it. The final and most important step in how to turn on your own lamp. You're going to want to find the cord or switch or whatever it is that activates the lamp. For this lamp specifically, it's this little knob here, and you turn it clockwise 2 times to turn on the lamp. All right, are you ready for this? 1 time done, and here we go, guys. The final turn, and... Alright guys, just before I show you how to turn on your own lamp, I wanted to remind you that if you liked the video, like the video, and if you want to see more from this channel in the future, click subscribe and go watch the rest of the videos on my channel. Alright, without further ado, let's get into it, the final step on how to turn on your own lamp. Alright guys, this is it, the moment you've been waiting for. 1 more pull back and we will finally be able to see in the dark, and we will finally have figured out how to turn on our own lamps. Let's do it. 3, 2, 1. That should have worked. Oh, that's right, guys. I unplugged the cord so that we can have a more suspenseful moment and so that I could pad out the runtime of this video. So let's plug that back in. And as you can see, guys, the lamp is now turned on and fully functional. No longer are you living in the dark like it's an early Minecraft update and you can't see the zombies that are about to kill you. Alright guys, that's all I've got for today. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you like the video, subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next super legitimate tutorial.